What if I told you that the secret to success is not just about individual brilliance, but about collective effort? Welcome to our exploration of the power and potential that lies within teamwork. In the vast landscape of organizational dynamics, teamwork stands tall as a fundamental pillar. It's the invisible glue that binds individuals together, fostering an environment where diverse perspectives can converge to create something truly remarkable. Picture this: a group of individuals, each with their own unique set of skills and experiences, coming together with a shared purpose. They engage in a dance of ideas, each contributing their unique perspective to the collective pool, each value add amplifying the overall output. This is the magic of teamwork. Henry Ford, a pioneer of the automobile industry and a titan of industry, once said, "Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success." These words encapsulate the essence of teamwork. It's not just about assembling a group of individuals, it's about fostering a culture of collaboration and synergy, where the total output exceeds the sum of its parts. This is the power of synergy, a concept that transcends the realm of physics and finds a home in the heart of team dynamics. It's like a well-oiled machine, where each cog, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the overall function. Every member of the team brings something unique to the table, their contributions intertwining to create a tapestry of success that couldn't be achieved in isolation. The beauty of teamwork lies in its universality. It's applicable across industries, from the tech giants of Silicon Valley to the bustling factories of the manufacturing sector. It's a testament to the human spirit, to our innate ability to connect, collaborate, and create. So whether it's a startup trying to make its mark in the world, or a multinational corporation striving for continued excellence, the principle remains the same. The power of teamwork is a force to be reckoned with. So the question is, how do organizations harness this power of teamwork? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. Let's travel back in time to the 1960s, to NASA's Apollo program, a time when the world was gripped by space race fever, and the United States was determined to land a man on the moon. This was an audacious goal, one that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. But it wasn't just about reaching for the stars, it was also about teamwork, collaboration, and the collective effort of thousands of people. The Apollo program was a marvel of teamwork. It took the combined efforts of over 400,000 people from various fields to achieve this feat. Engineers, scientists, technicians, astronauts, and even seamstresses who stitched the astronauts' spacesuits all worked together with a singular focus: to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. This was no small feat. It required meticulous planning, clear communication, and a shared vision. Every team member, no matter their role, understood their part in this grand endeavor. They knew that their individual tasks, no matter how small, contributed to the overall mission. This clear understanding of individual roles within the larger team was a crucial element to the success of the Apollo program. But it wasn't just about knowing their roles, it was also about trust. Each team member had to trust that others would do their parts effectively. The astronauts, for example, had to trust the engineers who designed their spacecraft, the scientists who calculated their trajectory, and the technicians who checked their equipment. This mutual trust was a testament to the power of teamwork and collaboration. The Apollo program shows us that when a team works together towards a common goal, they can achieve extraordinary things. It demonstrates the magic of teamwork, the ability to turn the impossible into the possible, to transform dreams into reality. By working together, the Apollo team achieved something that was once considered impossible. They proved that when people come together, united by a common purpose and a shared vision, there is no limit to what they can accomplish. This is the magic of teamwork, the magic of the Apollo program. From space, let's shift our focus to Earth, to the factory floors of Toyota. Here, teamwork isn't merely an abstract concept, it's a tangible, practical approach that has led to Toyota's global success. In the heart of Japan, Toyota developed a unique production system known as the Toyota Production System, or TPS. The system's foundation is built on the idea that the collective intelligence of all employees is harnessed to continually improve the company's operations. It's a radical departure from traditional manufacturing, where workers are often seen as mere cogs in a wheel. At Toyota, each team member is a valued contributor, a crucial piece of the puzzle. Every individual's perspective and expertise are utilized to find more efficient ways of working, to reduce waste, and to ensure that the highest quality products roll off the assembly line. And it's not just about the present moment. The Toyota production system instills a long-term vision, fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. It's an environment where mistakes aren't feared, but are seen as opportunities to grow. This brings to mind the words of the legendary basketball coach, Phil Jackson, who once said, "The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team." This philosophy is deeply embedded in Toyota's culture, and it's a driving force behind their success. From the assembly line workers to the top executives, everyone at Toyota is part of the team. They understand that their collective strength is far greater than the sum of their individual abilities. It's a powerful testament to the fact that when people work together, united by a common goal, they can achieve extraordinary things. Toyota's approach to teamwork extends beyond the walls of their factories. It's a philosophy that they share with their suppliers, dealers, and even their customers. It's a global network of teams, all working together to deliver the best possible products and services. Toyota's success clearly demonstrates the power of effective teamwork. It's proof that when a company values its people and fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement, it can rise to the top of its industry and set new standards of excellence. Now let's zoom into the heart of Silicon Valley to one of the world's most innovative companies, Google. Innovation is not just a buzzword at Google. It's the lifeblood that pumps through its veins, the air that fills its lungs, and the oxygen that fuels this innovation: collaboration. Google's culture is one that places a high premium on teamwork. It's not about individual brilliance shining in isolation, but about collective genius illuminating the path to progress. From the very inception, Google has nurtured a culture where everyone's voice matters. A culture where a software engineer can challenge the CEO's idea, and where a janitor's input can spark a groundbreaking innovation. This is the power of diverse teams. It brings together a multitude of perspectives, a kaleidoscope of viewpoints that, when combined, can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Consider Google's famed 20% time policy. It encourages employees to spend 20% of their time working on what they think will most benefit Google. This policy has led to some of Google's most successful products, like Gmail and AdSense. It's a testament to the fact that when you give people the freedom to collaborate and innovate, magic happens. But it's not just about fostering innovation, it's also about making decisions collectively. At Google, decisions are rarely made in the corner office. They're made in meeting rooms filled with diverse minds, in brainstorming sessions that encourage constructive conflict and challenge the status quo. It's not about who's right, but what's right. This culture of collaboration, of diverse teams and collective decision-making, is the secret sauce behind Google's success. It's the reason why Google continues to redefine the boundaries of what's possible, why it continues to lead the charge in the world of technology. In the words of Google's former CEO, Eric Schmidt, "We run the company by questions, not by answers." It's a statement that perfectly encapsulates Google's approach to teamwork and innovation. It's not about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions and finding the answers together. At Google, it's all about we and not I. So, what can we learn from these successful teams? From the moon landing Apollo program to the efficiency-driven Toyota production system and the innovation engine at Google, all these exceptional examples of teamwork share common elements that we can apply in our own contexts. Firstly, clear communication is a non-negotiable. Without it, teams are like ships lost at sea. The Apollo program, for instance, thrived on precise, timely communication to navigate the complexities of space travel. In your own teams, ensure that everyone understands the goals, their roles, and the plan to get there. Remember, a well-informed team is an empowered team. Secondly, the power of collective effort cannot be overstated. The Toyota production system demonstrated how every single team member, regardless of their position, contributed towards the overall success. Each person brought their unique skills to the table, and each task, no matter how small, was crucial. This teaches us that in teamwork, there is no insignificant role. Every contribution counts. Lastly, diverse teams are a catalyst for innovation. Google's groundbreaking solutions are a testament to this. A mix of different ideas, perspectives, and experiences can spark creativity and lead to unexpected, revolutionary solutions. Embrace diversity in your teams, not just in terms of demographics, but also in thought and experience. To encapsulate this, let's borrow the words of the legendary innovator Steve Jobs, who said, "Great things in business are never done by one person, they're done by a team of people." This statement rings true across industries and continents. It's a testament to the power of collective effort and the magic that happens when a group of individuals work towards a common goal. In conclusion, successful teamwork is a blend of clear communication, collective effort, and diversity. It requires the right mix of individual skills, shared goals, and a culture of collaboration. Remember, the power of we is always greater than the power of I. So let's foster the we in our teams and harness the power of teamwork to achieve extraordinary results.